So I've been looking on a straight up quest for the perfect camera bag. I wanted a camera bag that would fit all my gadgets in one bag because I'm tired of looking like a pack mule, a literal pack mule with 78 bags around my shoulders, my neck, and my teeth. No, I want one bag for everything. But stipulations, requirements, if you will. It had to be a backpack because most of the time when I fall on my face, not my back, so I wanted to protect the tech that way. And of course it had to be impact resistant, and I wanted a hard shell. So I found a bag. It was delivered 2 days early. I got it today. It wasn't supposed to be here till Wednesday, so super happy about that. And I wanted to share it with you guys. So here is the new bag. It's a backpack style, like I said. And you may be looking at this video going, oh gosh, Heather, I really like the functionality, but I'm not a pink kind of person. Well, shame on you for not being a pink kind of person, but you know, that's okay. It comes in other colors too. So it is called, that word right there, I do not know how to pronounce it, and even if I did, it'd probably be wrong because I'm Southern and I pronounce everything wrong. But I'm thinking it's Mosiso. So that's the brand name. So we'll lay it down here and I'll let you see inside what all I have in here. And note the hardshell cover there. Dual zipper with the little lock on it. So I have my DJI Mavic Mini 2 drone, which I'm in love with. My husband's binoculars. My Sony Alpha camera. My DJI control for the drone. And we have batteries for the camera. Look, y'all, I've got an empty space. I can buy something else. Tell me what to buy. Then I also have my GoPro in there. And as you heard there, these are Velcro, so they're totally adjustable. My extra lens. And there's more room, more pockets. Oh gosh, this thing is totally loaded down with pockets. Like, I'm so impressed with the pocket space. And just so you know, it's not hard to zip. I'm just holding the phone with one hand and trying to zip with the other, which, again, y'all, I am not the most coordinated person. So, lots of pockets. And big old thick back straps. Good back padding. And the bonus is it's actually got a place for your laptop. That's my MacBook Pro 13-inch in there. You got enough room for even more. And I hope this helps you guys out. Have a great night.